Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Ann here, and I wanted to drop another quick video here to share another actually another commission for Exitus Elite. So as you guys probably know, if you've been looking at Exitus Elite, it is an 8-year-old program, and it is still going strong and still bringing in the commissions. And so I had quite a few commissions coming in the last couple weeks, and I forgot to record a video to share this particular one. I just got busy with my other programs and thought of it today, so I wanted to share it. So anyways, this is a great program. So for those of you that have not seen Exitus Elite, all right, this is a high ticket affiliate program where you can earn $100 all the way up to $2,000 for every sale that comes into your back office. You know, people that join you with your ID number. So you can join, people can join you at the $100 level, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000, and we get paid 100% commission here, which is really awesome. So you know, it makes a great program if you are looking for additional income, whether you're already doing a home business, you have multiple streams of income. Exitus Elite is a great one to add because it is high ticket, and with high ticket programs like this, you only need a handful of people joining you each month to make a really nice commission. So it is a great one to add to your plate. If you're looking for something full-time, you don't have another program that you're working right now, you might want to consider Exitus because, again, you can make some really nice commissions, and the program is wonderful. It's really easy to follow, great setup videos in the back office, and we also have a lot of training with our team and Facebook group and all that stuff that I'll share with you. But let's just pop over here. I want to share with you the one sale, another sale that came in. So this was a $1,000 sale that came in about 2 weeks ago, and this was my friend Sean. Okay, so he is a real estate agent in Beverly Hills, California, and the reason he joined me in Exitus was because he said he loved the idea of big commissions. So he said, you know, being a realtor, he can still make really great income with Exitus without having to be on the phone all day doing cold calling and calling people to try to, you know, buy a house, and do they want to sell their house, all the things that he has to do with his real estate business. He said, this will be easy money for me. I can just follow the blueprint and start making some really nice commissions. So the point is, this program is great for anyone, whether you are a seasoned professional, whether you're a new marketer out there or an intermediate marketer. This program is great because it doesn't take a lot of time out of your day. Just follow the blueprint and you can start making some really nice commissions. So when you join, okay, we do have a Facebook members group. Not everybody is on social media. Not everybody is on Facebook. We do have a lot more members in Exitus that have not joined this Facebook group. But as of today, we have 582 members in here. But again, there are a lot of people in Exitus that are not on social media, so they are not in this group. So it's not reflecting them in here. But Exitus Elite, when you join, you'll be added to this members group. And this is a group where you can welcome your new member, celebrate them. You can celebrate other people that have added their new members, people that have upgraded. There's also going to be announcements in this Facebook group from the owner when there's going to be, you know, perhaps a webinar or things added to the back office, new capture pages, whatever. But as you can see, there is a lot of activity in this group, and you can welcome your new members in here. So here is Sean. This is Sean that joined me about a week and a half ago. He's, like I mentioned, he's a real estate agent in Beverly Hills, California. So he jumped in at the $1,000 level, is really excited to get started, and he is looking to upgrade to the $2,000 level soon. And I've had quite a few sales coming in the last couple weeks, and just wanted to share them here with you real quick. Here's my friend Christina. She actually upgraded a couple weeks ago to the $2,000 level. So that was a nice $1,000 commission that came in as she decided to upgrade. For July and August, I'm actually on the leaderboard again for G2000, the $2,000 level. And here we also had another one. This was a pass up sale for $2,000. And pass up sales is when you bring someone in. Everybody has to pass up their first qualifying sale to become qualified to earn at that particular level. So it's really great for you as a sponsor, because it's actually a great way to help people get started and help them get their first member in, because that money is going to come to you, which qualifies them so they can start earning those commissions. So this was a nice $2,000 commission that came in here. And then we had another one here, another $2,000 member joined. And then I think I had also Wayne, my good friend. He had decided to upgrade to the $2,000 level as well, and so that was another nice commission, and he's now able to start promoting and earning at the $2,000 level. So anyways, we got a great Facebook group here when you join. I wanted to pop over to the back office of Exitus Elite and just show you real quickly. When you join, you basically get everything in a box. You get your capture pages, you get your autoresponders, you get a bridge page that you can create, you get a landing page with the closing video on it, bunch of really awesome products. But here is the capture pages. So you have everything right here that you can select from. If you want to use any of these capture pages, you can use them, you can interchange them, whatever you want to do. You can also create a bridge page right here. And for those of you that don't know what a bridge page is, when someone opts into your capture page, it's going to take them to your personalized bridge page, which introduces you, and from there they click and they go over to the main website with the 7-minute video that explains the program. So you have the option of using all these capture pages in your back office. Comes with the program. Also comes with your you can switch them over to your Aweber integration. You can do get response, however you want to do that. But if you don't want to switch over to your own autoresponder, you can just keep everything within the system here in the back office, because there are autoresponder messages that go out to your prospects with these particular capture pages. So you basically just plug it in and go. All right. However, if you are a seasoned professional or intermediate marketer and you want to do your own capture pages and link them to your autoresponder like GetResponse or Aweber, then you do have other options, of course. One of the options that I will share with you when you join is this particular landing page right here. It comes with capture pages. This is the landing page that you will have access to. It has the 6-minute video that explains the Exitus Elite opportunity, how people can earn $100 up to $2,000. But it also comes with a short 3-minute video that goes in greater detail about the compensation plan. So it really answers all the questions that some people may have about how do I really earn with this compensation plan? How do I earn with pass-up videos and with, not videos, with pass-up commissions and those types of things. So this video goes into greater detail. And then there's also a webinar here that goes into even greater detail. It talks about the products, talks about the different levels and the commissions and all that. So this landing page is available to you. When you join, you can let me know if you want to have access to this, and I'll give you access to that for a small monthly fee. All right. So this is one that I use right now. And then I also have a landing page, or actually a capture page system that I use right now, where I can create my own capture pages. All right. And this is one of them that I'm using right now for Exitus Elite. This is a very simple program where you can create your own capture pages. You can change them out whenever you want, change the wording on them, change the buttons on them, and then it goes to my personalized bridge page. And this is a bridge page within this system, not Exitus Elite. This is the bridge page within the system that I create my capture pages with. And you can create your own personalized capture pages, not only for Exitus Elite, but for all your different businesses. And you can add a video here, or you can put a photo here, switch out your wording, you know, however you want. And then also you have the option of putting your contact information down here. And for those of you who don't know what a bridge page is, or a branding page, it's actually a great way to introduce your prospects to you. So as they opt into your capture page, instead of going directly to the landing page and watching the company video, they're going to go to your bridge page and see a picture of you, or see a short video of you explaining, you know, introducing yourself basically, and then they can read a little bit about the program and about you. So it actually helps to warm them up to you, so they get to know, like, and trust you a little bit more, rather than just, you know, going right from the capture page to the bridge, to the landing page. So bridge pages are great. So you can create your own custom bridge page with this program, and then right here they just click here and it takes them right over to your Exitus Elite website, where they can then watch the 6-minute video. And if they decide they want to join, they're just going to simply scroll down here, click here, and it's going to take them to your join page, where they can then select what level they want to join at and how to pay you, and you will get paid and you'll start making these commissions. So Exitus Elite, like I mentioned, has been around for 8 years. Also wanted to share with you in the Exitus Elite members Facebook group, like I mentioned, the owner and his son, they do post in here often, and so you can see just the other day, the owner's son Jacob, he actually posted in here letting everybody know that they're in the process of updating the new Exitus Elite support system and knowledge base, which is going to be great for all of our prospects and all of our team members. So as you can see, even though the company's been around for 8 years, they are still improving it all the time, and they're still very much involved. So Exitus Elite is not going anywhere. It is going to be around for a long time to come, and you can continue to trust that you can get in here and start earning these nice commissions with Exitus Elite. So I want to invite you, click the link down below this video here on YouTube, and you will be taken to my bridge page. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place here. You'll be taken to my capture page. Go ahead and put in a good email address. All right, so you'll start getting the follow-up messages from me. And also, when you join me, you'll be added to our Exitus Elite Facebook group. If you are not on Facebook, I do have a Telegram group that I will be adding you to, and you will have access to all of our team trainings, bonuses, capture pages that we create, all types of help and assistance. So you want to make sure that you let me know if you are on Telegram, and I will be adding you to our Telegram group. But get with me, go ahead, watch that video down below, click the link, and get back to me, and let's get you started earning these 100% commissions with Exitus Elite. And be sure to click the bell notification and the subscribe button down below here on YouTube, so you will be notified the next time I put up another video. So any questions, reach out to me. My contact information will also be below this video, and I look forward to helping you get started. Have a great day. We'll talk soon.